Hello. Hey, Lucas. How are you doing? Are you excited? Wait a few minutes, see if a few people will show up, uh, and then we can start. Is the audio okay? Okay, so far no issues with my MacBook. Let's see if it's gonna hold up well. Good to see you here as well, Lucas. How are you? How have you been this week? I hope you're closing out the week uh, rested, or at least ready to rest. No, Lewis also wanted to join. I'll see if he's gonna be here. Maybe I'll wait a bit more. Basically, my plan is to check out uh, what is Rive doing with responsive layouts because I've tried them about it's been over a year, and I wanted to see what we can make with them because I think there's a lot of potential here. Lucas says it's been a crazy week, but today is a holiday here in Brazil, so I'm taking the day off. I'm gonna share this live with a few friends. Oh, thanks. I'm glad you're getting the day off. What is the holiday about? Must be nice to have whenever there's like a 3-day weekend, your Thursday becomes your Friday, and you have a nice 3-day rest. I bet that feels good. Proclamation of Republic. Okay. Think I'm not sure if it was a holiday for schools here, but there were students outside, uh, like not rioting. I forgot what the word is, but they were like outside because of a similar cause for my country. 4 days a week should be mandatory. I mean, I've seen it being tried in a few countries, and it seems to be working. So maybe we'll see it become more popular with time. I would love that, to be honest. I like being productive for fewer days and then resting for more days, or at least maybe not even resting, but just having more time, more days for myself. Even if it means like I'm gonna work an extra hour, I don't mind that. Where are you now? I'm in Cyprus. It's a Mediterranean island. I need to come to Brazil. Or maybe at some point. I would love to. I would love to check it out. But Brazil is also pretty huge, though. Like, which part of Brazil are you from? Like, I remember it's like I think it was like an 10-hour drive from one side to the other. So imagine I come to Brazil and I hit you up, and you're like 10 hours away. Sao Paulo. Okay. Let's see. All right. So like north, but you're also kind of on the beach. Not on the beach, but like kind of close. Unless I'm looking from it too zoomed out and you're actually pretty far. Come to Rio de Janeiro. Uh, where is it? Oh, it's pretty close. Yeah, I mean, maybe. I'm in Europe, so it's gonna be a bit difficult. That could definitely happen. Not next year, though. I don't think next year. You got beaches here too. How is it? Like, how is generally the life there? Would you recommend someone moving there? I don't think I would move there, but I would love to know what is it like living there. So Rio is more beautiful. Okay. Is it? Looks like it might be a bigger city as well, or not? Smaller? Rio is more beautiful, but you're thinking about going to Croatia. Interesting. Why Croatia of all countries? I think I can start switching to this and make sure my whole screen is visible because last time I was cutting off some code. And there. Okay. So this is the Rive website. If you earn dollars, you live like a king, but most of the people are poor, unfortunately. My boss is from Croatia, and it's such a beautiful place. I see. I have no idea what Croatia looks like to be honest. I don't remember if I've met anyone from Croatia or if I've looked at any images. But I do understand what you mean with dollars over there. I have a few friends from Argentina, and they have a similar problem, but they have jobs in Europe, so it's a bit better. But they still, it's not great. That's what I'm gonna say. Rive is such a great tool. It is, yeah. That's why I wanted to check it out. Like the kind of stuff you can make with it is really, really cool. And I love this little cat hand when you hover over this. I think there's a way to also get it on the bottom. Oh, there we go. That looks pretty cool. And the demos they have are amazing. I don't think I can create that kind of stuff, but I want to see what kind of layouts we can make and make them responsive. to see how it works compared to like just using a Flexbox with a bunch of images and SVGs. You were in Buenos Aires a few months ago. Great place. Yeah, I've heard it's nice. It's just the economy that's usually what people complain about, and I guess politics. All right, I think I can get started. I don't remember if I have an account with this email. We'll see. Let's do Google. I guess I don't. Can it log in? Let's try again. Okay, I think it's stuck for some reason. Maybe I need to do. Oh, no user found. Sign up. There we go. Zoom in a bit. I cannot zoom in. I'm trying to zoom in, it's not letting me. I can't right click either. What is going on? Oh, it's a Flutter app. Interesting. Yeah, the economy is fucked up. Yeah, I've heard. I still know a few people who live there. So this is if you don't know what Flutter is, it's like a framework for building apps for cross-platform apps. And like you can build an app once and it builds for iOS, Android, and even I think they added desktop as well. Pretty sure multi-platform. Yeah. So yeah, web apps as well, and iOS and mobile, Android, everything. The only problem is that they don't use like the native elements of whatever platform they're compiling to. They're kind of just rendering stuff on their own. So here, like this looks a bit small to me, and I'm trying to zoom in with Command plus, and I can't. So the first problem that I see is immediately is accessibility. Not just with the framework, but I'm guessing, or I'm guessing, but it's gonna be similar with whatever Rive also renders because it's gonna be inside a canvas. So we're gonna need to be careful, I guess, with what you choose to render with Rive. So yeah. All right, let's go developer. Choose a name. Okay. All right. Welcome to Rive. In workplaces, create projects, personal files. So I guess I didn't have an account, or maybe I created it with a different email. Been using Flutterflow for a while, super easy and powerful. Yeah, Flutterflow is the no-code app, right? That uses, yeah, it was like purple. Yes. So it's a no-code layer on top of Flutter, or visual development, as they like to say it. I remember, I'm pretty sure they were the ones who posted that video where they said uh, they're not a no-code tool, they're a visual development tool. Doesn't say it here anywhere. But yeah, it is nice. It just has some drawbacks, I guess, when you're rendering everything by yourself. And I know that for stuff on mobile, for example, instead of like showing you the native notification or something, they basically show an image of a notification bar or like the notification toast that comes in, and they just layer text on top of it. Let's see if there's any nice starting point for us. State machine, I know how that works, I think, kind of. Design mode is animate mode. I want to see if there's anything that's nice for the layouts. Responsive core. Let's check this one out. That's nice. Put this on the side. What would be responsive about this? Maybe that's not responsive in the way that I'm thinking about. Let's see. Are you streaming someplace other than YouTube right now? Yes, I'm also streaming on Twitch. I don't know if I can put the link here. I guess I can. So I want something that could work nicely for responsive, maybe like this. So it's very simple, but it could still work. This could potentially be one. Or maybe we just make one on our own. Oh, this could be cool. Like we make some kind of UI that makes more sense with like the web, like something that you would use on a website. I just want to start with something that's already done so that I can see how people are building with it, because I'm very much a noob. That looks like a pretty good starting point. Can we remix this? Open Rive. Preview in Rive. Okay. Or remix. Okay. Oh wow. I don't know if this is on. That's how it's supposed to look. All right, so we have, should be preview here. How do you preview? I don't remember. This event tool. Play default state machine. That's not it. Animate. Oh, there it is. So it's in idle state. Any state. Okay, so it starts from here and it just puts it in idle state immediately. Then there should be something that shows. Oh, there we go. So there are events on these. This should be the one I just clicked. These are all the keyframes. Try this again. So when we click this one, the ring left. It's animating this position. What is the animating? Oh, there we go. Yeah, position and opacity. So it shows up from the bottom. And there should be something that fills the circle. That's it. Trim start, 75. Wait, how are they editing this? Oh, is it this? Here. Oh, there we go. So here it's 76. Here it should be 0. Still 76. Oh, there we go. Now here it's 0. Okay. So I just want to remember how things work here. And we have this artboard. I don't know if they have responsiveness already. They don't. Perfect. So we can make this use the new responsive layouts thing. Let's go to design. So I've seen a few things, but I haven't tested anything. It works similar to, if I'm not mistaken, to Figma's auto layout. So we need to group all these cards. So we have all of those cards over here. And can right click, wrap in. I can't put them in a layout. I wonder why is that. Shift L. Is it because they're already inside this group, maybe? What is solo? Oh, nope. Hmm. I'm gonna look up like Rive layouts. Here. That's not what I'm looking for. Oh, this is in the runtime. We need constraints? No. Wait, what? I swear I found layouts here. Let's see. Layers, listeners, inputs. Artboards. No. Interface overview. Wait, where are layouts? Okay, let me search here. Layouts. That's not what I'm looking for. If this is for, maybe this is the developer documentation, there's a different thing for this. Oh, maybe it's in the state machine? I was expecting them to link it here, but no. Oh, there we go. Okay, I don't know what's the difference between this page and the one we were at before, but I'm pretty sure this wasn't there before on the previous one we found. Okay, so L creates a layout. Row column. Row column are variants of the layout too, but include the initial set of hidden layout, children layout in a specific direction. Wrap layout. Instead of starting with an empty layout container, you may prefer to wrap existing items into a layout. There are a number of ways to wrap them. Right click, select wrap in layout. Then why did it not let me? Are we like using like an older version? Wrapping. Doesn't let me use the layout. Let's get the layout from here maybe and try this. I don't think that worked. Oh, what is going on? Okay, so the we made a layout in the back and nothing is in it. It's down here. But I don't understand why I can't just wrap these in a layout. Oh, convert to layout. Do I have to like group them in something else? Okay, let me take this out. Convert to layout. That is not great. Not great. Wrap. That still didn't work. Row. I think it's because of this. And it's not wrapping. Maybe we need to make sure. Well, okay. Let's do this. We do both sides, left and right. And now we wrap and there we go. Okay, we got something. I wonder if I can do like auto or something so that I don't have to manually set these. Let's do 10 here and like 10. All right, and now if you do this, it becomes smaller. Nice. So far this is just like auto layout with wrapping. I guess we can also continue with these. Can I? Yes. That is not what I wanted. I guess we need to put these together in like a group or a layout. Can I Control G? Yes, I can. And then these, do they need to be in a layout? I think we do it either way. Okay, make it centered. And then I think we group these. Layouts cannot be grouped. Okay. This is a layout and this is a group, and I cannot group them. I wonder if I can. Okay, I can put them in a layout. So you can put layouts in layouts, but you cannot group them. And is that stroke actually visible, or is it just for us? I don't see any strokes here. So I guess it's just the layout. Because there's nothing here. Okay, so the other cool thing that I saw that you can do with like Figma or even on the web, wait, let me maybe make these into a layout as well. No. Oh, this and this. Wrap in a layout. Okay, for some reason it breaks this layout. Can we do fill? This should also be, I guess we can do left and right, and then do this. That's correct. Okay, so now if I resize again, okay. This should be, okay, this is fill. This is fixed. This is hug. It should be fill. Wait. Hug. And now, okay, almost there. This should also fill. This should fill. What's wrong with this one? Oh, there's no wrapping. Wrap. And we want some padding in case it wraps. I wonder if we can wrap the other way. Yes, okay. I'm not gonna need it here, but I just wanted to know. Also, this is huge. Can we do, yes, okay. So we can do like space in between. Okay. So yeah, it looks so far as long as you figure out the very Rive specific things, it's very similar to how Figma auto layout works. Or if you're on Webflow, like a flex box, but everything has a fixed width that you have to change it manually. But it doesn't seem ridiculously difficult or anything. This is nice. What I wanted to know, let me select these. Let's try. Nice. So I saw that we can add an animation, layout animation, custom. Let's give it some easing like this. And then we should be able to select these and go layout animation inherit. And now when I resize, no, well, that didn't work. Let's see again. Oh, 0 milliseconds. Let's do 300. Let's try that again. Nice. Nice. That's very cool. So this is like like GSAP flip, but for layouts, and you don't have to do anything. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, when you get too far, it starts getting weird. I wonder if we can do like a max width. Oh, I guess no max width yet, or constraints, distance. I don't know. Min max space. So I guess maybe something with this. I'm not sure how to use it, but it looks like you can probably set some kind of max with these. Yeah, there's a max X and max Y. That's not what we're looking for exactly, but oh, cool. Yeah, I don't think this is what we're looking for. Because I can see this being a problem on bigger screens, but I guess you can just set a max width on the canvas whenever you use it. Okay. I want to continue with this one down here. Like, can we? I wonder if the artboard itself can grow. I feel like it shouldn't be able to. Yes. Add child layout. What? Is this just adding a layout inside of it? Yes. Okay, that's not what we're looking for. Okay, I'm gonna see what else we can turn into like a responsive to make this work responsively. Let's make this bigger. Okay, so this one should be, where is it? Fail. So I guess this one should also be a layout. But these are not placed in a specific order, so I don't know if this will work. Style. Convert to layout. Yeah. Scale Y, 100%. Okay, I don't know what I did. And I did like layout selection. Oh, I just wrapped it in a layout. So I guess things like these wouldn't work unless we can. I guess we could put a layout, but this rectangle is not helping us here. Has this color and oh, wait, is this a fill or a stroke? It's a fill. I wonder if we can just put them here. Guess not. Or no. Can I not remove this? Okay. Okay, so there are some limitations still, I suppose. because like sometimes like over here I want to set like some kind of background. Oh, okay, I can set the background here. Fill this. Okay, never mind what I said then. Can delete that. We have this now. Then we have a line. Oh, I guess it's this line toggle. Okay. Could group these. Put this up there and convert this to layout. Where did it go? Yep. You want to do this. Make sure we have some space. Yes, centered. Can I move it? I can't move it. Oh, this is also layout. Can we do this? Nice. Okay, we also have padding and margin. Look at that. All right, so this should be a bit more responsive. Nice. And now these should also be in a layout with these. Oh no, they're completely on their own. Maybe we try to select all of these. What is selecting over here? What is this doing? I'm not sure. I'm guessing it's one of the rings of one of these and it's below. But I don't know what's going on up there. Maybe let's go to animate, try to figure it out. Oh, this. Okay. It somehow ended up there. Mm-hmm. Toggle states. Okay, I see this. So this is when you click between them. Idle floats. Okay, this is what I was looking for. So this is moving way high up and even to the left. And we can get rid of those now. I guess they were doing this because it wasn't in a constrained layout before, so they had to move them around. Let's open this position Y. I think I want to not get rid of it, but we need to basically almost reset this. Yeah, the X will always get reset, so we remove the X completely. And then here the Y moves between -68 to -65, back to 68. Okay, so instead of that, we're going to do something very small. Let's do 0, and then here, let's go here. That is too big, we'll do -5. Let's do exactly. Well, okay, so now we can just go here. This should be 0 again. This should be -5. This should be 0. And now it floats there. Perfect. Uh, Why does this one have so much space? Oh, wait. Okay. And then I want to group these somehow. Okay, group. I still don't know what's going on up there. There's a 48% up there for some reason. Then I'll select these, group, and then hopefully we can put these two into a layout, layout selection, column. That didn't work very well. Okay, I need to figure out why this is up there, because that makes no sense to me. Percent 3. Three ring left. Is there no reason for it to be up there? Let's play. Oh, we broke it. Oh no. I'm guessing we maybe change the names of these. Oh, they're not in layout yet. Oh yeah. But I don't think we changed the name, we just made them a group, so this should still target them. I can still see the names here. Like if I select this, I can see it. Ring left, opacity. Where is the opacity? Is it this? Okay. Oh. Okay, somehow these ended up all the way down here. It looks like it's this. So I guess when we group them, initially that position was based on the artboard, but now that we have them grouped, that position is based on their group, and that's why they're so low. Either that, or we still have that item that was like way up there, and that's what pushed them down. I have a feeling that's the problem. Although I don't see it anymore, so I'm not sure where that went. Okay, so if we just bring this up, we should be fine. That's not what I want. Up there, right? Oh my god. Position Y. Maybe it starts from higher up. This thing is unnecessary. Yeah. Just put this higher up. Yeah, this goes even a bit higher. Yeah. Yeah, that we need to adjust the rest now, but that's nice. And then you can just add this to Webflow. Just export, I guess. Is that it? Whoa, whoa. Or do you publish? Oh, it's publishing for the community. Okay, never mind. So I want to try this on Webflow. Ignore that, please. Let's do. I'm not sure what I was doing here, but we can get rid of those. Let's try the Rive. Replace file. Can get one of the 3 that we downloaded. No. It's not letting me. Let me try this. Okay, I cannot upload for some reason. Try just clicking upload. Okay, that worked. 100 cents is a container. Yeah. And then if we preview, whoa, I don't think that was supposed to happen. Okay, that's weird. What is causing that? Maybe we need to publish. Let me try that. That was weird. I can't click either. Nope, that's still broken. I still cannot click. I wonder if it's crashing here, because this is also not moving. Oh, we didn't select an artboard and state machine. Okay, my bad. I haven't tried it here, actually. I've only used it with an embed. Automatically handle events. What is this? Automatically handle the Rive events during runtime, like opening URL, when triggered by the animation. Okay, I don't think we're gonna need it right now, but that should fix the problem we have. Yes. Cool. Yeah, these don't work because I haven't adjusted them, but those work, and we can try responsive. That's not what I was expecting to see. Okay, that's actually interesting. I guess if you wanted to not be or to be responsive, we need to make some changes. That's all right. Is the damn it. I wanted to see what are like the export settings. Export for runtime for backup, export options. Okay, I don't see any options here. And I wonder what we can do about the responsiveness, because that's not what we need here. Maybe we just increase the height. Doesn't work. I'm gonna make it based on viewport width, because that will scale with the width. Okay. And we make this bigger so that hopefully it's gonna, no. Align fit. Okay, so fit is contain. Let's do fill. No. Let's do cover. No. So this is acting like an image and not, it's not using, it's not like resizing the artboard that we made in Rive. So I wonder if there's no way to actually make it work within Webflow. I haven't seen anything about it. Because Webflow is just rendering the canvas here. And if I do like fit cover, it just treats it like an image. What's going on here? It just completely stopped working. What? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so if you set it to cover, it doesn't do what we were expecting it to do, which is annoying because I thought we would be able to use the responsive stuff we used earlier. But this is just the image stuff. Okay, maybe I'll research this a bit more. Maybe I'm missing something in the export. But it was fun. I'm kind of annoyed that it's not really usable if I can't make Webflow like grow. But I guess it's not Webflow, but why is the aspect ratio staying the same? I wonder if maybe here, show dependencies. No, event tool. Like I can't do anything about the width. Clip, no. Under presets. No. Okay, I don't know. If anyone knows in chat, let me know. And maybe this is only usable for like published. But it wouldn't make sense to make it that way. Long way. I'm guessing it's something with like the way it's embedded. Rive parameters. Artboard. I cannot even see the whole thing here. Layout. So either get or set a Rive layout. Maybe there has something to do with this. Maybe in order to use the layout, we have to actually embed it manually. Resize to canvas. That's what we need. So if there was a way we can run this within Webflow, that would be basically fix it because it would resize the artboard to the canvas. But I don't see anything here that could fix it. Because this is just the CSS, not the actual resizing. Unless maybe there's something here. No. Okay, that's a bit annoying. The only way I can see it happening is either Webflow needs to add this, or you basically need to just load it manually with code, which just defeats the purpose of the nice preview that we have here. I think this is pretty important for Webflow to have here, like just allow you to resize the canvas whenever, or resize the drawing to the canvas whenever the screen resizes. Because otherwise you just get this. And all the work we did for the responsiveness just goes away. What is happening here? Okay, I don't know what happened to the height here. That doesn't look good. Okay, it was just stuck. But yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you for those who joined. Thank you for coming here and seeing the whole thing. If you were here for the whole hour, feel free to send me a message. Maybe recommend whatever you would like to see, like a long exploration of next week, because I'm gonna be doing these every Friday, same time. And I just want to like hang out with a few people from the community, from the LinkedIn people that I've met, and yeah, just explore new stuff together. Maybe talk about Webflow updates or stuff like that, or code, whatever it is. But yeah, gonna end it here. Thank you, and see you next week.